Hi guys, it's Mrs. Applegarth, and we are in a deep dive with taxes. So we've got Chapter 2, Section 4. We're going to talk Social Security and Medicare taxes. All right, the lesson objective is to compute the amount withheld for Social Security and Medicare taxes. So you thought that the federal taxes that we studied in Section 1 included the Social Security and Medicare taxes, but it doesn't. So on top of the federal says we're going to specially tax you on Social Security and specially tax you on Medicare. So the Federal Insurance Contributions Act, we abbreviate it FICA, requires employers to deduct a percentage of your income taxes for Social Security to pay for retirement and disability benefits. So Social Security engages if you retire or for some reason become unable to work. And Medicare, which provides medical insurance. The Social Security tax rate is 6.2% and is paid on the first $97,500 of the income. So you pay after you make your $97,500. You don't have to pay Social Security tax anymore. There will be a couple of questions on the test. There's one question on the test and one question in the practice that you go over the $97,500, and so you don't have to pay taxes. Medicare tax is 1.45% with no limit on your earnings, so you pay it no matter what. The employer must contribute an amount that equals your contribution. The federal government uses Social Security to pay for retirement and disability, and Medicare provides health insurance for those 65 and older, as I have learned with my parents, who are now both on Medicare. The tax withheld from your paycheck is whatever your gross pay is. So in this case, there's no deductions. Times the tax rate. And for Social Security, it's 6.2%, and for Medicare, it's 1.5%. You're gonna have to know that. You're not gonna be given that on the test. So make sure you write that down. And 1.45%. And remember when I said, okay, make sure, and you guys were like, Miss Applegarth, I don't want to use my calculator. And I was like, please dial it in your calculator, because I need you guys to know how to use rock that percent key. And if you don't, we're going to be in trouble when it comes to taking the Chapter 2 test. Okay, Riley Henderson's gross biweekly pay as a manufacturing parts inspector is $728. His earnings to date for the year totaled $26,208. What amount does his employer deduct from his pay this pay period for Social Security taxes? What are his Medicare taxes? So they give you, I just crossed it out. They give you this amount up here, the $26,000, so you can compare it to the $97,500. If you're under this total, you do nothing. So we are not going to use, other than just that one-time comparison, we're not going to use it again. We're going to calculate Social Security taxes and Medicare taxes. And so the first step is to take our $728 that we made, multiply it by the 6.2%. Remember, unlike the state and income tax and the federal income tax, there's no shenanigans for allowances or exemptions. We get $45.136. We round it to $45.14. Then we do that again, but change the percent to our Medicare percent. So then it's 10.556. We round that up to $10.56. Now to see how much total we take out, we go Social Security plus the Medicare, and our total deduction is $55.70. We are going to rock that process twice here in number 1 and number 2. So number 1, our monthly salary is $3,100. We have earned 15,500. We are under the 97,000, so we are done using that number. So we go 3,100 times the 6.2%, and just so that I'm gonna do my writing first and my calculating second. Well, I got my pen all coordinated and organized. Okay, so let's go ahead and in our calculator, 3,100 times 6.2% is 192 and 20 cents. Okay, and 3,100 times 1.45% is $44.95. And we are going to total those to find our total deductions. Clear that out. 192.20 plus 44.95, and we get $237.15 comes out of the paycheck just for Social Security and Medicare. All right, let's do it again. Weekly salary is $350. Earnings to date is $16,800. It is less than our $97,000, so we do nothing with that. So again, we go 350 times the 6.2% and 350 times the 1.45%. Once we get those, we're going to total them. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. So 350 times 6.2%, 21.7, and 350 times 1.45%. Oops, that did not. 350 times 1.45%. $5.08. We round that up to 8. Then we add it all together. I'm not even going to get the calculator for that because I can do this math. $26.78 comes out of our weekly paycheck just for Social Security and Medicare. Remember, this does not include state income tax or federal income taxes. This is just one small piece. All right, you guys, thank you for hanging with me. Go and finish this practice because it's worth just as much as the notes. So finish the practice, and you guys, once this is done, you're ready to turn it in and get your credit. All right, thank you guys for hanging with me. Have a good day.